Hello, welcome back to my video. Today is not just a simple video, but today I am going to be telling you some video ideas. I haven't made this video like never, so I thought, why not? Because a lot of people are making these, so I thought, why not have a try? Let's get onto it and hope you enjoy and learn a lot more video ideas that you did not know. See you. So the first one is themes, because that's really good and interesting and sounds a lot of fun to show people themes and let them know there is a new theme. So if you don't know what I mean, because a lot of people do not know if there's themes, and like Roddy K, she uploads themes and shows them, so then they know and everything like that, and they can check it out themselves. The second one is hacking, a scammer. A lot of people do this for payback, more like they hacked their accounts and they want payback for that. Or hackers hacking your fans, if you know what I mean. If you do not know what I mean, it's basically like if you have a YouTube and your fans get hacked and you want to help because they're your fans and they appreciate you, so you hack them because they were the scammers. Number 3, making series or more like music videos, because a lot of people love watching them, like me. They're so fun. Fourth one, trolling. It sounds like a fun thing to do, so I'm definitely gonna do kind of video once. 5. Copying people outfits and then messaging them saying, why do you copy my outfit? 6. Exposing people, more like hackers or people who are rude to you or your friends. 7. Catfishing people. I done this once in a video and it was fun and I loved it. I spelled that wrong. I'll be back. I don't know if that is spelled right or wrong, I don't really care. Okay, whatever. 8. Pretending to be hacked, more like scaring your friends and see if they care about you. 9. Lyric pranking people, friends, girlfriend, boyfriend, besties, or whatever. 10. Pranking people, like they don't want to be friends anymore, or they are quitting MSP. 11. Making cute looks of people or making cute art books. 12. Making speed paints. 13. Making edits. 14. Hanging with friends and just a simple record. 15. Pretending to quit movie star planet. Well, I think that's it. Those are all that I can remember for now, Limo. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button and we will see you all next time. Bye! And also, sorry if this video is short, but yeah, peace out and we'll see you in the next video.